I'm a first sergeant. My LET level is 2. I am 15 years old, and what I did in ROTC, well, I didn't really do much, but I did go into JCLC in my freshman year. I'm a sophomore right now, and I guess I just proved myself in the camp. And my favorite sport is wrestling. I like it because it helped me lose a lot of weight, and I gained confidence.
Hello, my name is Alejandro Andrade Flores. I'm a second lieutenant from first period. I'm 15 years old, and what have I done for ROTC? I've been in ROTC drill team for all my years. I've done color guard events, I've done honor guard events, I've gone to cadet ball all my years, and 2 years in a row for JCLC.
Hi guys, I'm Jason. I'm a level 3, I'm 16. My favorite colors are white, black, and red. I think I like lasagna because it's good. I like football and soccer because we lit, even though we lost like every game this season. My favorite hobby is art.
Hi, my name is Leslie and I'm level 3, I'm 16. I'm the company commander for Bravo. I've attended JCLC, the cadet ball. My favorite color is green.
Hello, my name is Castro Gustavo. I am the first sergeant for Charlie Company. My favorite color is black. I've done squad and platoon and squad and platoon. I'm commanding squad and I swim, play soccer, and yeah.
I'm Susan Garcia. I'm the company commander for the Charlie Company. And I've been to JCLC, I've done cadet picnic, and I have been in color guard and academic league. I'm also a swimmer. I like eating spaghetti, and my favorite movies, well, I have too many to announce. And this is my third year in ROTC.
My favorite one is Finding Dory.
My name is Lopez Luis. I'm a first sergeant. I am a Level 4. I'm 16 years old. I was part of the youth physical fitness team last year. I attended the cadet picnic 2 years ago. This summer I was in JCLC and I marched in the homecoming parade. My favorite color is pink. My favorite food is a burrito. And
well, my name is Villegas Daniel. I'm the rank of a first lieutenant. I'm a level 4. I'm 16 years old. Again, like him, last summer I went to JCLC. I did many events. I joined teams, stayed after school, participated in the program. My favorite color is olive green. Favorite food, chicken wings, and sport. Well, I like to play football because of the rush, and also because I'm good at it. And I like to play music as well.
improve the program?
I improved myself. I'm not sure about the program.
I think what happened was that young men, and I'm sure it was much later that women came into the program, but what we did is we took an ownership of this program. When we went on the drill field, or we were sitting in class as a cadet private, cadet sergeant, lieutenant, or battalion commander, it meant something to us. And what we wanted to do is instill that esprit de corps.
Right.
And we felt that if we kept that going, every student after us would have that same esprit de corps. And like many of you, I think it helped us to shape us in the future. Most of us went on to be some kind of leader at some point in time.
Yeah, everything.
Hello people, if you want to join the ROTC News, you still can, and you're going to be getting an award for joining, and it's actually pretty fun because you get to like look around like all over the different periods, you know, and like if you're in third period, then you can see like what's happening in like first or second period, or like you can see what's happening after school, and it's like really fun. Okay.
Which military branch would you join and why?
I'd like to join the Marine branch because I'm physically fit and we get all the girls. Higher pay raise and that's what I told. Better opportunities in life.
What's the worst thing about ROTC for you?
I think it's wearing a uniform on a really hot day and having your sweat drip down your back.
Do you put your milk first or your cereal?
The milk.
Why?
Weirdo. Because I like to stand out.
Weirdo. What's your biggest fear?
Having to come to work with the company. Roasting.
What's the hardest thing to remember?
His name.
Where your car keys are.
When I go to the bathroom, sometimes I forgot to flush.
Okay. Would you rather look like a fish or smell like a fish?
Look like a fish.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Because fish
Would you eat poop that tastes like chocolate or chocolate that tastes like poop?
Italian commander, Sergeant Major, if you were in Saturday.
Which cadet do you admire the most and why?
I admire Maite Balderas because she is a great leader and she has a lot of potential.
Would you rather look like a fish or smell like a fish?
Look like a fish.
Okay, what superpower would you rather have and why?
I would have super strength.
Why?
Because I can just get anything out the way.
I would have super speed. It's like rocket. Yeah. And then first sergeant?
What
What
superpower
superpower
do you
and
have?
why?
What?
What superpower and why?
What superpower? I have eyes in the back of my head. I am watching you.
That's a mutation, not even a superpower.
Okay, what's your biggest pet peeve?
I'm a b-boy with their mouth open.
Do you pour your cereal first or your milk first?
My cereal first.
Would you rather wear a push-up bra or stiletto heels?
Where's the little cute? Hi guys, I'm Jay.
Do it. Go.
What's a pickup line you'd use on your girl?
Girl, if you were a cucumber, you'd be a cucumber. I mean,
Not really gonna do it. That's not really gonna.
The only reason why I came up with that is because I've heard